Hey guys, this is Fernando the Vintage Collector 2000 on the Rare Rippers group, and today this is gonna be a video slash repair tips on your Rare Rippers in the future. So yeah, so I actually got this Rare Rippers 2004, 2005 to 2006 monster truck stubby base 4x4, the one that was on the commercial before. This is the one I got on the first day of June along with the 2009 fire truck, but I didn't know what to do with this at the time. I didn't know if the board on it was, or the button pads on it were fried. I thought they were just completely dead. But then, right now, I actually grabbed my soldering iron, just flattened the solder on the keypads, and so I only took off the battery because I was worried this one would end up really bad. Like the board would quit working if I put a bit of solder on the button pads. But then when I put the battery back on, I grabbed one of my button pieces or whatever you want to call them, tested on those two spots, and I was like, oh my god. I had a total meltdown, an exciting meltdown, and I thought this would never work again. So maybe I should try it on my Shark Attack monster truck. But however, if you think of it, it's missing the tail, plus sticker on the other side is missing. But it still works. But all I need to do is just try to do the trick again to see how well this would turn out like this. Here, I'll show you. Hold on. Let me just grab one of my rubber button parts, and yeah, here we go. Hold on. Oh, never mind then, but I also put some WD-40 on the button pad so I don't have to use the rubber ones. So, yeah, try to spray just a little. Not that much, but just a little. And then let it dry for a couple minutes and then it should be good to go. But this is what I didn't know what I was doing at the time, so I just grabbed my soldering iron. Like I said, solder or melt the dried button pads, and I got to work on it, and I thought this would never work. So I mean, just use your soldering iron, just like the flathead one, and just rub it on the button pads, and then it should get working, just in case yours doesn't work again. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll answer them back. So I hope you have a nice day, and goodbye.